Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through social media while your to-do list grows longer? Let's be honest. Your problem isn't about figuring out what needs to be done. Your problem is that you just don't do it. Your to-do list is right in front of you, yet you find yourself scrolling through social media, and before you know it, the day is over and nothing has been accomplished. You're exactly where you started. That needs to change now. Getting things done is the most important skill you can master, and you don't have forever to figure it out. First, we're going to align on the right mindset for getting things done. Without this, you won't be able to follow through. Then we'll break down the specific steps to actually get things done. Take 8 minutes with me. Don't skip any of these steps. If you do, you'll fall right back into the cycle of wasting time. Your future self is begging you to follow through, and we're starting now. How do you get your mind right to get things done? You versus you. A big reason you don't get things done is that you talk yourself out of it. At some point, your mind became addicted to cheap dopamine, and now it's using you as a slave to keep getting that quick fix. It distracts you from the important long-term work in favor of a quick social media hit. It's like a junkie's in control of your life. You need to fight against this. The battle isn't with anyone but yourself, your thoughts, habits, and what your mind throws at you. These are not who you are. The doubt, fear, and desire for instant gratification, they don't define you. You need to stand up to your captor and take control of your life. So be prepared to tell your mind to shut up. Be ready to fight the feelings of dread and weakness. Your life is far too valuable to be driven by a junkie. 1,000 miles starts with one step. Getting things done always starts with a goal, but those goals can be huge. And if you try to tackle them all at once, you'll crumble under the weight. Stop trying to figure out everything about the goal in one go. This leads to paralysis. Instead, focus on the steps that will get you there. Take one step at a time. Don't worry about whether you'll make it there. Just commit to moving forward. If you want to move a mountain, start by moving a pebble. You only live once. We have one life, and it's a one-time ride. Should we spend it lying on the sofa, scrolling for cheap fixes? Imagine looking back at your life on your deathbed. What would you be proud of? What would you be ashamed of? Realizing how limited our time is should push you into action. It should make you eager to define your life your way and to be intentional with how you spend your time. Every second counts. Every day is a gift. Every opportunity is a blessing. Get up. Get your mind right. Let's make this a life you're proud of, grounded in getting things done. Now let's go over specific things you can do to become a productivity machine. Goals, you need goals. We talk about this all the time. If you don't have a goal, you have no direction. Decide what you want to achieve in life, and let that become your guiding star. It's essential to keep this focus, because it gives you something to work towards. The biggest mistake I see people make with goal setting is getting stuck in analysis paralysis. They're waiting for the perfect goal to appear, but here's the truth. The perfect goal doesn't exist, and because of that, they give up entirely. When setting a goal, think of it as a flexible target. You set something that checks enough boxes. Does it excite you? Does it tap into your strengths? Does it provide value to the world? Does it bring you health, wealth, or freedom? Is it being carried by some positive momentum? If so, it's a great direction. Go with it. As you progress, you'll learn more and make adjustments. But the change in the goal won't drastically alter your overall direction. Your prior efforts will still be relevant. Number 2, write down tasks. All the steps leading to your goals are essentially tasks. You'll have a list of things to do to reach your destination. There's a fantastic book by David Allen called Getting Things Done, which is the best guide for working efficiently and effectively. I highly recommend reading or listening to it. The system he teaches is simple. Write down all your tasks. Don't keep them in your head. Log them somewhere so they're out of your brain. Then daily go through your to-do list and do a few things. Any task that takes less than 5 minutes, do it right away. Don't push it off. Just get it done now. Prioritize your tasks. Identify which ones are more time-sensitive and impactful. Choose the tasks you will complete that day. Clearly list what you will get done. Writing it down increases your chances of actually completing them. It also creates a clear start and end to your day, preventing aimless activities and anxiety. A tool I've used for a while now is Todoist. It's simple and helps me manage all my to-dos. I have the app on my phone, access it on my web browser, and have it synced across all devices. Whenever something new comes up, I immediately log it. If there's a deadline, I mark the date, and it automatically sets a reminder for me. I'm also an ambassador for Todoist, and they're offering the community 2 months of their pro service for free. I highly recommend checking it out through the link in the description. You'll find that Todoist is the service that gets your tasks done without unnecessary distractions. Number 3, plan tomorrow. The best way to start your day is with a list of what's most meaningful to accomplish, and the best time to do this is the night before. You can pull these tasks from your Todoist app. To stay organized, write them down in a place that's easy to see. I use a dry erase board on my fridge, where I list out the tasks for the next day. I start my day by reviewing it, allowing it to guide where I focus my time and energy. Throughout the day, I return to the list either because I'm in the kitchen or to check what I can tackle next. The point is, I pick my tasks from Todoist and write them down where I'll see them often, keeping me on track. Number 4, eat well, sleep plenty, and work out. Getting things done is a mental and physical battle. Your body may drag you down, and your mind might struggle too. To push forward, you need to keep both your body and mind healthy. To eat the right foods, sleep at the right time, and get enough rest, you need to exercise. Move around, get your blood flowing, and manage your stress. Don't get this twisted. This isn't a luxury. It's essential for surviving the marathon of getting things done. To reach your goals, you need discipline, a fight against your inner demons, and commitment to the plan. Your body and mind must be in the right place for this journey. There are no exceptions here. Number 5, remove distractions. Staying disciplined and consistently getting things done is easier when you aren't distracted by things. Led astray by temptations, your focus will break if distractions surround you. Look around your home. It's likely full of distractions. Imagine your life as a video game, where your goal is to achieve success and stay focused. But if your surroundings are filled with traps, bombs, and pitfalls, it won't be easy to win. So, what would you do to succeed? Remove the distractions. Clear them from your life. Isn't that the obvious solution? If you don't do this, you're not serious enough about wanting a better life filled with freedom and fulfillment. You'll struggle to feel truly good, and that's unacceptable. Number 6, find a mentor. Climbing this mountain alone isn't easy. It's possible, but it's tough. Figuring out the best way to get things done is a trial and error process. That's why finding someone who's already walked the path is a massive advantage. A mentor who gets things done, who has achieved what you aim to, can be your guiding force. Just being around them, having discussions, will naturally pull you toward your goals. There's a magnetic power to surrounding yourself with the right people. Go out and find people who can act as your gravitational pull. It won't be easy, and it requires effort, but search them out. Ask your trusted friends and family if they know anyone who's achieved what you want to. Be cautious of shady individuals, but keep searching until you find the right ones. Then get them to spend time with you and help guide you on your journey to getting things done and achieving your goals. If you'd like additional tips on powerful daily habits, follow this channel and tell about your favorite habit in comment box.